I'm Harry Roberts. I won the Apprentice of the Year award for Land-Based Industries. I got raised on a farm at home all my life, and I had a real passion for agriculture. And when the opportunity came about where Glenclean was offering an apprenticeship, I took it because I thought it'd be a great way to earn some money while learning. I've been raised on a farm all my life, so I had a real desire to go into agriculture. I used to go to Clysfasi, and then we got the chance to do this apprenticeship, so I took the opportunity, and I've loved it every minute here. And the best thing is probably that I can work around what are my other interests, not just with work, so I can do other things, earn money while doing it as well, so it's brilliant. I did my apprenticeship on the home farm, so my mum and dad were the employers. It worked really well because they could talk with the tutors and see what I could do more of and learn more about. It went really well, to be honest. Yeah, Charlotte was brilliant. If I needed a hand with anything, she was there, so it was ideal because we could meet up on Zoom and just catch up on work that was falling behind, or if I was ahead, so yeah. It was a bit of a shock. I couldn't believe it really. I didn't think I would get it, no.